So, this finger stands for financial development. With regard to financial development, I would like to talk about 8 rules of a private investor. These are the basic rules that you need to know if you want to get out of debt, or increase the income that you have today, or if you get stuck in a difficult situation. Using these 8 rules, a person will always get a positive result in a very short time. So, the first rule, dear friends, you should always know and understand the difference between financial independence and financial freedom. I will use a simple example to help you understand what financial independence and financial freedom are. So, financial independence is when you have a certain amount of money and you can live 10 years without having a job, and your standard of living will not change. Suppose your monthly spending is $1,000, multiplied by 12 months and multiplied by 10 years. That's $120,000. If you have $120,000, then you can consider yourself financially independent. What is financial freedom? When you have the same $120,000, but you manage them in such a way that they yield about 10% per year, which makes it $12,000 per year, which is your $1,000 per month for your expenses. And if you manage them right and invest them at least at 20% per year, then it will be $2,000 per month, of which you can spend $1,000 and reinvest $1,000 to increase your capital. That's the difference between financial independence and financial freedom, plain and simple. In the next lesson on the second rule, we will talk about the 5 important commandments of a private investor. These 5 important commandments of a private investor form the basis for our 8 rules. See you tomorrow, my dear friends, till we meet again.